Hello everyone, welcome back to Hero Handmade Crochet YouTube channel. With Valentine's Day just around the corner, I'm excited to share a fun and easy crochet tutorial with you all. Today we'll be making adorable heart-shaped earrings that are perfect for adding a touch of love to your outfit. First of all, we will look into the things needed. I'm going to be using this color of yarn. This is 100% cotton and the 1.5mm steel crochet hook. We need 2 earring posts and backs and 2 dot pins, and we need 2 jump rings. The diameter of the jump ring is 4mm, and I'm going to be using these 2 beads to decorate. We need the pair of scissors, some fabric glue, the flat nose pliers, round nose pliers, and the wire cutters. These are the things required. If you are interested in the materials I'll be using, I've included affiliate links in the description box below for your convenience. So let's grab our crochet hooks and get started. We will start with a magic ring. So wrap the yarn around your pointer finger 2 times like this. And then insert the hook into the ring. Yarn over, pull through the ring. Now you have a loop on your hook, yarn over and pull through the loop. This is the magic ring we are going to work into. Work 7 single crochets into the magic ring. Insert the hook into the magic ring, yarn over, pull through. Now we have 2 loops on our hook, yarn over and pull through both the loops. This is the first single crochet. Again, insert the hook into the ring, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through both the loops. Now we have completed 2 single crochets here. Again, insert the hook into the ring, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through both the loops. Now we have completed 3 single crochets. Like that we will continue. 4, 5, 6 and 7. And then I'm going to pull this tail tight to close the magic ring like this. And on the next round we are going to work into the back loop of the stitches around. So if you look at the stitch here, this is the back loop of the stitch. So go into the back loop of each one of the stitches around and work 2 single crochets into each one of the back loops, and we will work over this tail so that we don't have to worry about hiding it at the end. So we will go into the back loop of the first stitch and work 2 single crochets, 1 and 2. Again work 2 single crochets into the back loop of the second stitch here. 1 and 2. Again 2 single crochets into the back loop of the third stitch. 1 and 2. Then go into the back loop of the fourth stitch and work 2 single crochets, 1 and 2. This is the fifth stitch. 1 and 2. This is the sixth stitch of the round. 1 and 2. And we are going to go into the very last stitch of the round and work 2 single crochets into that as well. 1 and 2. Now if you count, you can see that we have 14 stitches around, and then we will cut this piece of yarn. This is what we have completed so far. Again, go into the back loop of the first stitch over here and work another single crochet, and then chain one and turn your work around, and then we are going to go into the very first stitch here and work a slip stitch. So insert the hook, yarn over, pull through the stitch and pull through the loop, and again work one single crochet into the back loop of the next stitch here, and then work a half double crochet into the very same stitch. So yarn over, insert the hook into the back loop of the same stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch. Now we have 3 loops, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. This is a half double crochet. I will show you once again. We are going to work 2 half double crochets into the back loop of the next stitch here as well. So yarn over, insert the hook into the back loop of the next stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch. Now we have 3 loops, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. The second half double crochet, yarn over, insert the hook into the same stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through all 3. Now we have completed 2 half double crochets. Again work 2 half double crochets into the next stitch as well. Go into the back loop of the next stitch and work 2 half double crochets, 1 and 2. Again work 1 half double crochet into the very next stitch, and then we are going to continue working 1 single crochet into each one of the next 2 stitches. 1 into the next stitch and another single crochet into the stitch after that. Remember, we are working only to the back loop, and we will work a half double crochet into the back loop of the next stitch, and then chain 1, and we are going to go into the previous half double crochet. There we have 3 loops here. So we are going to go into all 3 loops like this and work a slip stitch. So yarn over, pull through all 3 loops and then pull through this loop as well. And then go into the same stitch, yarn over, pull through, again go into the back loop of the next stitch and pull up a loop like this. Now we have 3 loops, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. This is the decrease. Again 1 single crochet into each one of the next 3 stitches. So go into the back loop of each of the next 3 stitches and work 3 single crochets. 1, 2 and 3. Then we will work a half double crochet into the very next stitch and work 2 half double crochet into each one of the next 2 stitches. So work 2 half double crochets into the back loop of the next stitch and another 2 half double crochets into the back loop of the stitch after that. One and 2. Now we have completed it up to here, and from here we are going to work into the back side of the work. There you can see that there are 7 loops around the center. We are going to go into each one of these 7 loops and work 2 single crochets into each one. So we will go ahead with the first one here. So insert the hook into the first loop and work 2 single crochets, 1 and 2. Again work 2 single crochets into the next loop here, 1 and 2. Again 2 single crochets into the loop after that, 1 and 2. Like that we will continue working 2 single crochets into each one of the loops until the end. This is the very last loop I'm going into, so work 2 single crochets into the last loop and then chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. Then we will leave a little tail for sewing and cut the yarn off. After that, I'm going to be using the crochet hook to pull this tail through the magic ring like this. And then we will use the yarn needle to hide the tails of the project. And then we will cut the yarn pieces off like this. This is what we have completed. Then again I'm gonna make another piece to put at the back of the post. So start with a magic ring. Insert the hook into the ring, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through the loop, and then we will work 6 single crochets into the magic ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. After completing 6 single crochets, we will pull this tail tight to close it and then work a slip stitch into the very first single crochet of the round and leave a little tail for sewing, and you can cut the yarn off. And then we will hide these loose ends by using our yarn needle. This is what it looks like, and then we will see how to put all these pieces together to complete the earring. First take the jump ring, open it up using the pliers, and then I'm gonna use the pliers to attach it to the crochet part like this, and then secure that with the pliers. Like that. And then I'm gonna take the bead, insert the dot pin into the bead, and then we will make a loop on the other side of the dot pin. Cut the excess piece of wire, and then we will use our round nose pliers to make the loop. Like so. And before we close the loop, I'm going to insert that into the jump ring here and secure that with the pliers. And then we will use some fabric glue to paste the post of the earring. So apply some fabric glue like this. And we will paste the post and apply some more fabric glue, and we will insert this piece to secure the post. Like so. And there you have it, your very own pair of crochet earrings. I hope you enjoyed following along with this tutorial. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and subscribe to my channel for more crafting ideas like this. Thank you for watching and happy crocheting!